How to fix WhatsApp no sound during phone or video calls on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve audio issues during WhatsApp calls. First, make sure your device volume is turned up during the call by pressing the volume up button on the side of your device. After that, check that your phone is not on silent or do not disturb mode by swiping down from the top and checking your quick panel. From there, during a call, make sure the speaker or mute button is not accidentally turned on or off inside the WhatsApp call screen. At this point, if the issue persists, go to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp icon, then tap the Info or I button. In the next step, tap on Permissions and make sure the microphone and phone permissions are both set to Allow. Following this, go back to App Info and tap on Storage, then clear the cache. Once done, go to your Android settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration and make sure the call volume is turned up. From here, if you are using earphones or a Bluetooth device, try disconnecting them and switching back to your device speaker to rule out any audio routing issues. At this stage, tap Force Stop on WhatsApp from App Info, then reopen the app. Finally, restart your device and make a test WhatsApp call to check if the sound is now working properly. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you fix your call sound issue, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.